Does fear keep you stuck instead of pushing you forward? Many people let it freeze their progress, but you can actually turn fear into a tool for action. One simple way to start is by reframing fear so it becomes motivating instead of paralyzing. Let me show you a quick example using ChatGPT. I just typed this prompt into ChatGPT. You can pause the video and copy it if you like. As you can see, it gives three actionable ways to shift fear into energy that drives results. I usually pick the one that resonates most and focus on it when I feel fear creeping in. This is a quick, practical step, but lasting change comes from rewiring your mindset at the root. The confidence challenge works you through the 5 step method to transform limiting beliefs so fear becomes a signal to act, not a reason to hold back. By completing the challenge, you will gain tools to face uncertainty with confidence. Take bold steps toward your goals and anchor that courage in your daily life. I've linked the challenge in the description. It also includes a personal advisor and high converting funnel templates to help you turn new confidence into real world results. It's just $7 to get started, beginner friendly, and gives you everything you need to convert fear into fuel for growth. Click the link in the description to join the confidence challenge and start turning fear into action today.